Before we start cleaning your home, we like to make sure we keep it well protected, so we often will put down a runner in the home to protect your hard surfaces prior to carpet cleaning. Brielle is pre-vacuuming to remove any dry soil, particulate matter that is in the carpet. In the meantime, Luke is outside at the van mixing up the chemistry needed for this particular job. Once that is mixed up, Brielle will take the product and pre-treat the carpet in question to make sure it's well treated so that the soils have a chance to be dissolved and later rinsed out. In the meantime, Luke is getting the hoses set up to bring into the home to make sure that he can get ready to get going here in a minute. And one more step before we clean is that Brielle is pre-scrubbing the carpet very lightly with a mini cylindrical brush machine that helps to loosen the soils that have been treated. This makes Luke's job a lot easier. Now he's mainly just rinsing the carpet of any soils and the product that we used as a pre-treatment. We clean it about 200 to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. And also Luke will demonstrate here in a moment that he's taking dry strokes when he's done. So passes over the carpet to remove any remaining residual moisture to leave the carpet as dry as possible. Dry time is generally 2 to 8 hours depending on humidity and what we had to do to get the carpet clean. The end result shows how your carpet will look when it's done, and we hope to see you down the road as a client. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.